For today's video, we will harvest our Super Napier Pak Chong 1 from Thailand. Super Napier Pak Chong 1 is a high-yield hybrid napier grass commonly used as a livestock fodder. Here are some key considerations. Super Napier is fiber-rich, can aid in the digestion if consumed in moderation. The Super Napier is also a low in fat, suitable for birds that require a high-fiber, low-fat diet. And also, Super Napier has a silica content. Some birds nibble on grass for trace elements. And lastly, we give the Super Napier Pak Chong 1 to our parrots in the aviary to keep them from getting bored. Nibbling the Super Napier Pak Chong 1 is time-consuming for the birds, which keep them busy. Please like and share our video so we can all learn together. Till the next video, happy bird keeping everyone, and keep safe from the heat waves.
Please like and share this video so we can all learn together. Happy bird keeping everyone.